folks, welcome back to the channel. This is Mike, and this video is just a mashup of all of my B-roll footage from 2021, more or less. I don't want to waste the footage, and I've either made a video already or I just don't have anywhere to put this footage. So this will just be a small mashup of all the footage. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. I'm sure you will. Come on, you're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. Well, being that the vacuum just kind of junked out, I had some firecrackers laying around. And we'll see if we can get progressive with this. That was neat. Not very impressive. Didn't break it. Alright, that wasn't really the results we were looking for, so got one of those a little bit bigger. Oh, it didn't fall in. Still nothing. Not what we wanted. This thing's stout now, I'll give it that. So I'm going to be honest, I don't think we need the stick. We'll take the stick off and then see if it does anything. Try this again. I think I got it. Well, folks, I just got home. Got the old Smoke Pro fired up. Sold the van. Looking for another one. Gonna make some tacos tonight, being that it's Taco Tuesday. Come on. We've been eating off them leftovers. They were delicious, even though I forgot the potatoes. No big deal. I still added them. Just a little microwave trick on them. Threw them in there. Got us a pile of meat. Let's throw it on this grill. This meat don't take long. Just take it in here. Oh. I want to get me one of them meat hooks. It'll be pretty nice. Flip all this over. I can't tell if that's good. Might be. I don't know. Whatever. Ain't like raw meat gonna kill you. Flipped over. Looking good. That thing will be done here in just a second. Ooh. Got a new power steering pump for the truck. It went out. It's been making some noise. I knew it was coming. Got a new one. So I also got some oil to change the oil on it. I've got the front diff, rear diff oil too. Had that for about months. I might actually get around to doing it. We will see. We got our meat, some tortillas, cilantro, onions, fresh lime. Come on. Got some cheese in the fridge, about to pull out. Maybe even a little tapatio. Shoo! Dang, boy. 4 of them mini tacos. I guess they call them street tacos for a Taco Tuesday. We're gonna have more. Come on. Pretty challenging to walk. God, damn chicken feet getting in the way. Oh, he just pecked at me. I'm telling you, look at these things. They get all up in your way. So I'm making a little bit of this pineapple zucchini bread. Folks, I am back and I've got a new master cylinder for the red Chevy. I got some remote tank fills and we're gonna go ahead and pop this cover off here and swap them over. I've got the new master cylinder installed.
I'm gonna go ahead and bleed all the brakes real quick on it before we get it on the road. Definitely don't want to get out there and find out we ain't got no brakes. That ain't the move. So we'll bleed them. Make sure I got brakes here in the garage, and then we'll road test. I got that vacuum bleeder on it. Look at all them bubbles. Come on.
So no leaks. Let's see. Look at that, we didn't roll forward. Oh, come on. We got some brakes now. Good oil pressure, water's good. 31% fuel. Not bad. Brakes a little squeaky. Rotor's real rusty though. So I'm making a caramel topping here for some cheesecakes that I whipped up. It's going to be a caramel pecan topping. I borrowed an implement from my buddy Hank, and he asked for a cheesecake pineapple, or not pineapple, sorry, but I just made some pineapple zucchini bread the other day, so that's what's got me thinking. But he asked for a pecan cheesecake, so that's the least I could do, is just make him a pecan cheesecake. A little bit of heavy cream in there, so that was base, or the base was just butter and brown sugar, some cinnamon. So put some heavy cream in there, and you end up with this wonderful caramel sauce. Caramel-like sauce. I don't know if it's actually a caramel, but we don't call it caramel. It's delicious. And we throw them pecans in there. They're roughly chopped. Those are fresh pecans here from on the property, so can't really complain about that. I got fresh eggs that I made the cheesecake with and fresh pecans off the property, so I need to grow some wheat. Maybe I could make my own flour. Then it'd be all kinds of homemade. Shoo-wee! Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we got two delicious pecan cheesecakes ready to be devoured. Iris. Iris is deaf. She can't hear. She doesn't know she's being loud. Iris. Oh, goodness. Hi, old girl. Oh, goodness. Willard got jealous. These are heathens. Mooser. Moose. Iris. Moose. Fuller, do you want to say hi? Mooser, want to say hi? Oh, you got eye boogies, Mooser. Goodness. Mooser. That's one excited boy. He drooling. He's ready for some chow. Go ahead. Now let me just say this. Boy, these dogs eat. I'm going through like a 50-pound bag of dog chow. I use that Purina Pro Plan. I don't remember which one it's Sport, I believe. But heck, they get through like a 50-pound bag every 2 weeks. They tear it up. Look at that! Damn vacuum! That's a slow feed bowl. Mooser, you're supposed to eat slower than that. It's not good for you.